and standing by.
Hello, CQ DX. CQ Delta X-ray, CQ DX. From Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray.
150 watts.
Papa Yankee 1,
Tá consumindo quanto?
calling DX and standing by.
36.
Hello, CQ
Olha lá.
DX.
Consumo
CQ Delta X-ray,
37 ampere. Aqui a voltagem tá mantendo aí. Linear tá tranquilo também. E a potência tá boa. Okay, Mike 7 Lima Kilo Zulu. Thank you very much for coming back to my call, my friend. Cheers. My name is Tony. Tango Oscar November Yankee. You about 5x7, 57 your report. Microphone back to you. Mike 7 Lima Kilo Zulu from PY1AX. Roger, my friend. What's your name, please? Okay, Ali, many thanks for the QSO, my friend. Good look at the X and on the contest as well. 73, Mike 7, Lima Kilo Zulu from PY1AX. All the best. Chovendo muito forte. Roger, Steve, 100% copy. Italy United 1 Alpha Victor Lima, Papa Yellow 1 America X-ray returning. Roger, about your village in the north of Italy, 100% copy. I'm 100 kilometers north of the Rio de Janeiro, very close to the beach. This is a very, very nice place to spend the weekend. Okay, my friend Stevie, your signal report is a 5x9, 59 your report. I'm with 2 elements cubical quad, 200 watts. Okay, that's my working condition, FT991 and MD100. Okay, my friend, microphone back to you. Italy United 1 Alpha Victor Lima from Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray, over.
USL, thank you for the information and for the lovely report. You are 5759.
5759.
Your signal audio is excellent, no problem at all. And by the way, I was wrong. This is our second contact because we had a previous QSO on 20 meters. It was October 2017. And so I'm very
2017.
you here after a long time, my friend. And on my working conditions, I am running a Campbell Danko Sierra 870.
870.
My power is about 500 watts.
500 watts.
From Ecom 1000 PA and to my 6-man speed looking for.
Ah, tá com a X-Beam.
Thank you very much for the nice opportunity and I look forward to copy you again as soon as possible, my friend. 73, obrigado. Ciao, ciao. Papa Yankee 1, Alpha X-ray, India Uniform 1, Alpha Victor Lima.
Okay, Italy United 1 Alpha